What's good, y'all? Good afternoon. It's 2:40 right now in the afternoon. I'm sitting here chilling with my little girl. And yeah, man, we went over to McDonald's as y'all seen. Oh my God, I'ma just hold it. We went over to McDonald's as y'all seen. We ain't been doing much besides chilling. And yeah, we just been chilling, man. It's raining. It's a rainy, gloomy Friday. It's a rainy, gloomy Friday right now. But yeah, we gonna make the best of it, man. Just like every other day, we feeling blessed. Thank God for another day of living. Thank God for another day of chasing your dream. And yeah, man, we'll see what we do today. I don't know yet. Hopefully we're able to do something. And yeah, I finally got my Apple charger, my Apple fast charger back. These need to never be made again, bro. They're slow as shit, bro. Super slow. These gotta be standard, bro. Oh, hell no. that bitch. So made her.
You of your daddy in his 88 Ford.
Bro, please don't do that again. Melanie. Melanie.
Yeah, and like just always drunk and you want him on the phone.
Walking back to the spot. That shit was busting, man. Look at that little Silverado. I'm walking, I'm like, she's awfully quiet. God damn, she's awfully asleep. Holy shit.
Told her goodbye and I blew her a kiss. Pulled me a phone, I spit on my kicks. I hate when they try to tell me what to fix. I cannot go if I can't bring the blick. Pop me a pill to relieve how I feel. Guess you can say I don't know how to heal. Remember them days I ain't had no place.